Okay, subok tayo uli. For plate number 1. So I will start with this figure. Okay? So this is a figure of 2 squares. So how do we do it? We start with lines. Now, before that, you have to check on this. Okay. Escape muna ako. Palitan ko to ng red. And then, palitan ko to. So, ito, nilagyan ko na yan ng dash at saka fence line. So, paano ko ginawa yon? I-click mo to, ilo-load mo, tapos hanapin mo yung dash. So, pagka-click mo ng dash, pag-click mo ng dash, okay, kagaya niyan, dash. O, dagdag ako na iba, dash, then okay. Then, load ko uli. Say, load ako ng another type ng fence line. So, say ito. And then, click OK. And then, click OK. Ayun na pala. So, as you can see, yung dinagdag ko, nandito na rin. And then, punta ka rito so that you can change the thickness of the lines. So, say, lagay ko 0.3. So, gawin ko tong line na to. So, click on line. So, ayan. As you can see, lumabas sa command line. Specify first point. And then, hilahin ko lang pa ganon. Pwede ko alisin yung sumusulat na yan, yung maraming dynamic ang tawag dyan. And then, click on ortho. Then, type 100. Type lang yung 100. 100. Ayan, nasa baba. Makikita mo ha. Then, enter. Kailangan yung mouse mo, hinihila mo pa ganito. Enter. So, yun, yung 100. Type uli ako ng 100. 100. Pababa naman yung line ko. Hilahin mo ring pababa. Enter. Then, hilahin mo pa kaliwa. Going sa left. And then, type again, 100. Okay? Babalik mo muna rito yung mouse mo bago ka mag-enter. Then, enter. Tapos, kanina may command ako, pwedeng close o kaya i-type mo uli 100. So, gamitin ko na lang C. Type ko C. Enter. So, close na. Paano ko ngayon gagawin tong dash line na to? Okay? So, click on this. Click ko lang to. So, puti siya, di ba? And then, change mo. White. Then, change natin sa thickness. Say 0.2. And then, change the line. So, dash line na siya. Then, escape. Escape. Paano ko palitan to? Click. Click on this. So, escape. Then, click. Click. Go to blue. Then, change the line. And then, change this. Say, 0.2. 0.2 rin. Enter. Okay? Then, this one. Paano i-change? Escape muna. Click on this line. Then, change color. Cyan. Then, escape. So, meron na ako niyan. Paano yung dimension? Balik ako rito. Punta ako sa white. Change ko to. Gawin kong 0.2. And then, go to dimension. Click mo yung dimension. Click. Linear. Tapos, ang tanong, first extension line. Ito ang gagawin kong first extension line. Then, ang tanong uli, second extension line. Then, hilahin mo lang pataas. Okay? Then, escape. Go to dimension again. Click linear. Specify first point. Click. Then click for the second point. Then hilahin mo to the left. Yan. Now, then, since pareho naman sila, you just copy it. Laging malinis dapat itong command line mo. So, escape. So, walang command na available. Click on copy. Hanapin mo yung copy. And then, you are to select the object. Pag sinelect mo yung object, pwedeng paganire. Isang click lang yung ginawa ko. Hinila ko rito. Then, click again. Then, wala na akong hahanaping ibang object. So, enter. Then, you are asked to determine the base point. The base point is the point where you need to hold your object. So, I'll click on this point and then I'll bring it here. Since makulit siyang ganyan, it means na ando kasi si ortho. So, click ko si ortho para gumagalaw siya ng mas free. Then, click on the corner. So, I have that. Okay? So, naka-1 na ako. Say, I am to draw naman this one. Circle with hatch. So, change the color. Say yellow. The line is continuous. Continuous lang siya. And then, thickness niya, say 0.2. Then, escape muna tayo. Escape. Malinis si command line. Diba? Click ko, malinis siya. Click on circle. Then, click on this part na lang. Click lang kasi pinahanap yung center of the circle. Click. And then say, pwede namang mas malaki na gawin natin. Say 25. 30. Pwede natin gawing 30. Radius ang tinatanong. Ayan, lumabas yung 30. Then, enter. Okay? Next. Hatch with circle yan. So, hanapin yung command line na hatch. Linisin mo ulito. So, escape. Laging bumabalik command, cancel. Okay? Go to hatch. Yan. Click on this. Then, hanapin mo yung line na yun. So, parang ito yung ginamit ko yata. Say, kahit ano dyan. Say ito. Click OK. Add pick point. Now, sometimes, sabi ko nga, pwede mong palitan to. So, say, gawin natin 0.5. Ito, gawin natin 15. Originally, pag yan lang ang minentain mo, 1 at saka 0 is your angle. Click on the point, add pick point, pabalik dito, then click this one. Ayan, mag-highlight siya. Na-pick ko na, enter. Then, okay. Kaya lang masyadong malaki yung spacing. Kaya ang ginawa ko, I click it again. Double click. Pwedeng double click. Okay. Double click. Tapos, lalabas. Pwede nating palitan yung angle na 15. And then, yung scale natin, 0.5. Enter. Yan, naging mas masinsin siya. Okay? So, kung kanina yan, ganito, pwede naman. Kung meron akong circle, escape, circle, Click on this point anywhere, katabi. Then, konting hila. Tatype ko uli, 30. Enter. And then, escape. Go to hatch. Pagdating mo sa hatch, dito pa lang, palitan mo na siya. 0.5. And then, palitan ko na siya ng 15. Then, add pick point. Ayan, diba? Kamukha kagad. Enter. Then, okay. Ayan. Okay, now let's go to this one. How do I copy this one? Kakopy ko sa kabila para mas malapit. So, sabi ko nga, sample lang to. So, you don't need to copy it perfectly na the same lang. So, anyway, kung gagawin mo yan, ganito. Diba? Kaya usog natin. Pan, para mausog. Okay. What will be my command? Nag-escape ako. So, malinis na naman tong command na to. Go to polyline. Click. Mag-start ako dito. Click. So, ayan. Naka-command pala siya na ang thickness niya or ang width niya is 20. Ayan o. Line width is 20. Ibabalik ko siya sa width na 0. So, type mo W, enter, and then change the dimension to 0, enter. Ending width is also 0, enter. So, ayan, 0 na siya. Okay, so hilahin ko ng konti. So, gawin kong ortho. So, click ko to, then hila. So, say, type natin 40. Okay. Ay, naku. Nagkamali ako. Na-enter ko kagad. So, anyway, napalitan ko na yung properties nung polyline ko. So, ulitin na lang natin. Click on polyline, start point, then hilahin ko. Nahabaan ko nga. Let's say 80. Enter. And then, kailangan ko nang magpalit ng thickness. So, width, go to width. Tapos, ang tanong niya, starting point is 0. So, you can see there, sa command line, 0. Enter. And then, gawin natin, say, palitan ko ng konti ito. Ibang klase naman, 30. Enter. Then, konting hila lang. Okay. I'll use span para umusog. Then, escape para balik ka sa command. So, naka-30 siya. What if, gagawin na nating arc, so you just type A. Enter. Yan, si arc. So, consider mo uli yung width. So, click on W. Enter. The first one is 30. Starting point is 30. Type 30. Enter. Ending point will be 0. Enter. Yan. Hilahin lang natin ganyan. Then, balik ako sa line. Gagawin ko uli siyang line kasi ito magiging arc. So, go to line. So, you just type again L for line. Line. Enter. So, meron na akong line. Hinila ko lang yan ng basta ganyan. So, and next, type ko uli si A. Enter. Tapos, nilagyan ko lang ng certain hinila ko lang ng konti without the dimension. Click. and then click. Okay? Then, if you look into our figure, papan ako ng konti. If you look into our figure, pagka nagpan ka, so nausog mo na, kunyari nausog mo na, mag-escape ka, isang escape lang. Balik ka na naman sa command na to. Then, kung titingnan mo, ang part niyan is a line na 0 ang simula and then it ends with a ticker value. So, type ko uli, line. Just to make sure na line siya ha. Line, enter. And then, pagkatapos ng line, go to W, enter. The starting point will be 0, 0, enter. And the ending distance, width is 20. Yan, 20. Enter. Then, konti lang mo lang. Parang hindi siya tumalaba. Yan, tumalab naman pala. So, 20. So, nag-click na ako ron. Next is go to line again. Line pa rin. So, line. Line pa rin siya. Nag-click ako. Click line. So, ngayon, you check on the width. The width. Enter. The first starting is 20. So, tama. And then, ending is 20. Enter. Hila. Tapos, dinala ko lang sa taas. Tinapatan ko to. Para, kung titingnan mo, para magkaroon ka ng hidden line na magiging guide mo. Tapatan mo yung corner na yung dulo na yon, and then hilahin mo yung mouse mo uli dito. Then click. And then to the right, then click. And then enter. So I have now a similar figure. Okay? Next, let's go to the stars. So I'll copy again this one para sa guide natin. Okay? Alisin ko yung ortho kasi malikot siya. Okay. Paano natin ginawa yung stars? Okay. So, stars would start with a circle. Pana muna ako. And then, escape. Stars. So, let us say na I'll start with a circle, center. Tapos, if you remember, ang tinype kong radius is 25. Okay. Sometimes, kailangan mo ito, para sumusulat kagad. Okay? Sumusulat kagad yung ginagawa mo. Now, go to polygon. Polygon. Click 5. 5. Ang tanong niya is 5. Kung titingnan mo, pag naka-dynamic, pwedeng dito lumilitaw yung tinatype mo. Enter. So, 5. Then, specify center of the origin. Ayan, sabi. The center of the origin is the center of the circle. Click. And then, you are asked if it is inscribed or circumscribed. So, pwede kang mag-type dito ng I. Or kaya, dahil I naman yung inscribed, dyan sa taas, enter na lang. Okay, inscribe. Then click. Okay? And then, what's the next one? Gawa na tayo ng circle. Circle. Ng star. So, how did I do the stars? Stars. Escape muna tayo ulit. Okay. Malinis uli yung command line mo. Punta ka sa line. Gawa tayo ng star. Click here. Click there. Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here. Okay, now I have a star. Okay? So, I may copy na this one. Daling ko na sa labas. So, all I have to do is escape muna. Clear it muna. Then, go to copy. Then, highlight natin. Isang click. Tapos, basta nasama sa square yung star, yung line niya, makakopy na ng buo yun. So, enter. Then, base point. So, pwede kahit saan mo gawin kasi ang inihiwalay ko lang is the star. Okay, so, ayan. Hiwalay ko yung star. Ayan, nahiwalay na si star. So, dahil nahiwalay na siya, escape. Escape again. Okay. Then, click ko yung pan. Iuusog ko yung drawing eh. Pan. So, para mas siya, mas maluwag, move ko yung buong objects. So, click on move. Tapos, select daw object. I'll select object. Isang click lang yon, and then click uli rito. Enter. Click on a base point. Click. And click. Ayan, na-move siya. Okay? Move ko pa uli. Ito. Para hindi nakaka-istorbo. Now, nandito na ako sa stars. Kailangan mawala yung mga lines ko. So, go to trim. Pwede mo i-select lang ito. Kung ito aalisin ko, ang cutting niya, ang tanong is select cutting edges. So, this will be my cutting edges for the center. So, after selecting the cutting edges, enter. And then, you are asked to select the object to trim. Ayan. Select mo siya. So, trim na siya. Okay? Escape ulit tayo. Escape. What if gusto mo maramihan, mabilisan? Go to trim. You can select all. Pag sinelect all mo, ganyan lang. Click. Then, i-window mo. Click. Selected na silang lahat. So, yan na. Na-select mo na. Then, enter. Then, you are asked to select the object to trim. Ito, i-trim ko. Trim this, trim this, trim this, and then trim this. Okay? So, tapos na. Escape again. Escape. Now, yellow yung loob ng hatch ko. So, pwede kong change to ito ng yellow. Then, go to hatch. Look for the stars. The hatch na maraming stars. Click. Okay. So, actually, 0.5 rin siya. So, ibalik ko yung angle to 0. Then, I'll pick point. Pick on the center here. So, since na-select ko na, enter na lang. And then, okay. Then, next. Diba, ikakopy dun sa corner. Ikakopy ng ganyan. So, paano ko gagawin? I'll escape again. Then, copy. Select the object. Siselect ko, highlight ko yan. Click. Then, bitawan mo lang ha. Click. Isang click lang. And then, dalhin mo rito para ma-select. Then, click. Enter. Sa nahawakan, dito. Hawakan ko rito. Base. Displacement. Base point. Enter. Click lang and then, enter. Gusto ko pa na isa rito. So, pwedeng i-copy ko ulit to. So, go to escape again. Go to copy. Highlight the object to be copied. Enter. Click the base point. Sabi, specify base point. And then, yan. Okay? Magkamukha na sila. Now, paano gawin ito isa? Yung may mga stars na marami. So, if you remember, all I have to do is to use the array command. So, to do that, I'll copy again the star. Copy ko lang. Enter. Hawakan ko lang kahit saan. Okay, lagay ko rito. Okay. Escape. Go to pan. Para lang mausog. Yan, medyo masikip pala yung pwesto niya. Move ko uli siya. Escape. Go to move. Select the object. Enter. Then I'll just move it. Yan. Okay, next command. Array. Escape again. Go to array. This is array command. Then you are asked to select the object. So, pwedeng isang ganun lang. Isang click. Another click. So, yan lang kailangan natin, di ba? Enter. And then, you say ilang columns. So, type mo column. Enter. Then, ilang column ba? Yung nandun, 3. So, type 3. Kapag nakalagay si dynamic, tingnan mo, pag nandyan yung dynamic, ito, pwede ka mag-type ng 3 ron. Or, pwede ka mag-type ng 3 dito. Kapag, dun rin lilitaw kasi nandun si dynamic. Kunyari, wala si dynamic. Teka lang, ayan. Kung wala si dynamic doon, type 3, enter. And then, mag-specify, nag-consider ng column distance. So, say I place 80, enter. Then, go to row. Go to row, type R, enter. Then, how many rows? 8 ang nilagay ko. 8. Enter. Then, the distance between them, say, gawin kong 60. Enter. Yan. So, I now have the stars. Then, what if ito gagawin natin? I-array natin na 7. Diba? So, what do I do? Let's say I copy again one of the stars. So, dito hindi ko siya makakopy ng paisa-isa. So, balikan ko yung original ko. So, I will again copy. Escape. Copy. Select the object. Enter. Hawakan ko lang kahit saan. Okay, doon. Click ako doon. Yan, bit ko na siya. Ko na siya rito. Pag na-click mo na, escape. Yan na. Ngayon, ang command natin is mag-array tayo ng polar. Paikot. Okay? So, say, maglalagay na lang ako ng isang guideline dito. Para dito siya iikot. So, i-ortho ko. Kumbaga, paikutin ko siyang ganun. Okay? Clear your command line. Escape. Go to array. Okay. You're asked to select the object. So, select ko yung object. And then, enter. Okay. Tanggalin ko nga na yung dynamic. Enter. Pero, naging rectangle, di ba? So, para mawala yung pagka-rectangle, pumunta ka rito sa, oops, mali ako dun. Wala dito yung command na yon. So, dahil mali yung nagawa ko, undo lang. Undo. Yan. Hindi ko pala siya makikita dito sa part na to. So, makikita ko siya dito. Modify. And then, go to array. Click polar. So, depende dun sa AutoCAD version nyo. Hanapin nyo talaga yung polar. Then, select the object. Enter. And then, the axis of rotation, say, type or base point, pwedeng B. Enter. Specify the base point. So, ito. Click. So, that will be the center of my rotation. I click it again. Enter. Nagkagulo na kami. Oops. Type A. Mangal siya. Type A. Enter. Specify first point of axis of rotation. Enter. Invalid ang nagawa ko. Mali. Sorry. Again, go to polar. Parang hindi sumunod eh. Array, polar. Select the object. Enter. Center point. Center point na lang pala. Pulit ko eh. Then, go to this one. Nakalagay rotate items, di ba? Type ROT, enter, and then you are asked to rotate items. So, yes. Type Y, yes. And then, how many items do I need? Type mo I, ayan, kasi items. I. Enter. Tatanungin ko ilang items. So, say, 6 nga. 6. Enter. Yan. Actually, nandyan na nga kagad si 6, di ba? Okay. So, ayan siya. Kamukha na, no? Next. Punta tayo dito. Ito. That was explained na kanina. Hawig na yung kanina. Yung circumscribe at saka inscribe. Anyway, ulitin ko ha. When do we say that it is circumscribe or inscribe? So, I explained lang. If I have a circle, say my circle has a radius of 25, and I will place a polygon, say 5 sides. Okay, so click 5, enter. Tapos ngayon, specify center of the polygon. So, center ng circle. Kung inscribe siya, click on scribe. Diba? Ganyan yung kanina sa star. Okay. Kung wala kang dynamic, tanggalin ko nga para lumilitaw sa command line. Ayan. Escape. Ulitin natin yung command. Copy ko na lang muna yung circle. Paano kung circumscribe? Go to polygon. Number of sides, 5. Enter. Center of the polygon is this one. And then, type C. Circumscribe. Enter. Yan. Nasa labas, di ba? Okay, so yun lang bali yung explanation nito, kaya may dagdag. So, yung dimensioning nito will be like this lang. If I get the dimension, so escape muna. Go to dimension, go to radius, click on the circle, then hilahin mo lang outwards. Okay? Again, another dimension. So, escape, dimension, linear, click on the top, click at the center. I got here 25. O, dito. Click on dimension, linear, click on the top and the center. Pag ayaw umilaw, dikitan mo lang muna. Lipat-lipat mo yung mouse para umilaw siya. Then click on the center. So you have here 30.9. Okay? Then next, this one, the last two. Now, what if you have here a rectangle with chamfer and fillet? Okay? Chamfer and fillet. So how do we do that? Go to rectangle. Go to rectangle. And then click on C or type C. Enter. And then chamfer tayo ng yung isa 5. Enter. Yung isa 10. 10. Enter. Then balik ka rito. Click. First corner. Hilahin mong pa ganyan. To get the dimension, you just write shift 2. Shift 2 yan ah. Say 100, comma 120. So parang coordinates. Okay? Pag naman fillet, escape tayo. Fillet. Balik mo muna siya sa normal. You type C, enter. I-zero mo muna yung distance. 0, enter. 0, enter. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung rectangle ko, wala nang chamfer. Okay? Try natin. Kaso, we will make the fillet. So, escape. Go to rectangle. Type F. Enter. And then, click on this. Wala akong radius. I forgot. Again, rectangle. Go to F. Enter. And then you are asked to give the radius. Say radius is 10. Enter. Then I will now click. And the dimension. Shift 2. Say 100 again as the width. And then, comma, 120 as the height. Okay, so you have that. Next one is what if I will do this? So, paano ginawa yon? Okay, ganito lang yan. Say, palitan ko naman yellow. Nagsasawa na ako. Go to line. Click. Tapos, hilahin mo lang. So, dahil naka-ortho, ganun lang, ano. Say, ortho. Hilahin mo lang. Say, 100. Enter. Then, I need to copy this several times with a distance of 10. So, go to fillet. Escape muna tayo. Fillet. Then, you specify offset distance. Say the opposite distance is 10. Offset distance is 10. Enter. Then you are asked to click on the object to offset. Click on the object to the right. Click on the object to the right. Kung gusto mo dito, click on the object to the left. Click on the object to the left. So, pag kailangan mo manarami, escape again tayo, then copy. Copy. Select the object. Enter. Then, specify base point. Yan. And then, kung kailangan ko siyang gawing net type. So, go to escape again. Copy. Copy ko siya. Tignan nyo, pag nagka-copy ko, dalawang method. Copy. Pag nanggaling ako sa right, click. Tapos, basta masagi mo lang yung line, selected na siya lahat. Okay? Anong pinagkaiba dun sa ibang method? Escape muna uli. Escape. Say copy. Pag nanggaling ako sa kanan at ginanyan ko, ayaw niya. Ang gusto niya, pag galing ka sa kaliwa, click mo, kailangan masakop mo siya ng buo. Masali mo siya sa square o sa rectangle para ma-select. Okay, so enter. Specify base point. Say ito na lang. And then, yun yung point kung saan ko siya kinapi. Escape. Rotate ko siya ngayon. Rotate. Select object. Click. And then click. Enter. Specify base point. Kahit sa gitna, kahit sa gilid. Then hilahin ko. Hilahin ko taas, baba. So, pag naka-ortho, sakto yung pagkaka-rotate niya. Pag ortho yan, makikita degrees. So, maganda, naka-ortho. Okay. And then, I'll just move it dun sa kabila. Move. Enter. Click on the corner. Last end point. And then, attach ko siya dito sa dulo nun. So, I have that. And then, I'll just need to remove the rest of the lines by clicking it and then delete. Delete sa keyboard na lang. So, if I change the color, kagaya ng isa, change ko yung color. Select ko siya ng paganire. Escape. Click. Then, sinelect ko na siya ng paganyan. And then, I'll change the color. See, red. Okay. Escape. Say, iselect ko to. Ito na lang. Maliit na area. Yan. Say, I'll change it to blue. Yan. So, I now have my rectangle, my net type na square. Then, meron tayo yung font so that I can label it. You click on A and then click on gawa ka ng box. So, 2.5 is very small. So, gawin natin siyang 10. Enter. Yan, medyo malaki. So, what is this? So, say we call this a rectangle. Kaya lang iba. Ibahin natin yung text. So, pag gusto mong mag-iba ng text, you just click, change ka, Pwede ka rin mag-change ng color. Kagaya dyan, ginawa kong yellow. And then type rectangle with using offsets. Pwede mo hilahin. Then, okay. Now, kung gusto ko i-label to, ano ba label ko dun? Rectangle with chamfer and fillet. Ano gagawin ko? You may just copy. Copy. Click. Enter. What is this? Double click mo uli para ma-change mo siya. Double click to edit. Okay. So, rectangle with chamfer and fillet. Now, what if gusto mong palitan yung type ng text nito? Highlight mo, then change it. Say, Times New Roman. Pwede mo pa siyang gawing italic. Pwede mo siyang i-change ng color. Pwede mo siyang igitna. Okay? I-change ko colors. Di kita eh. And then, okay. Kung pagsasama-samahin ko ngayon yung gawa ko ulit. Okay? Pagsasama-samahin ko ulit set up ko siya ng so, I'll just move them. So, I'll move this. Okay, lagay ko na lang siya doon sa kabila. Diba? Maayos tingnan. I'll move pa the rest. Move pa the rest. So, select ko silang lahat. Enter. Then, say, I'll move it here. Sa baba. Tanggalin ko si ortho. Move it there. Tapos, kagaya niya isang yan, ilagyan ko siya ng rectangle. Ito lang, naka-contain sa isang area. Okay? So, if I will label the other drawings, all I have to do is to copy. Say, copy ko to. Click. Enter. Click on the paste point. So, click ko doon. Click ko dito. Tapos, click ko dito. Click ko rito. And then, click ko doon. Click dito. Tapos, all I have to do is to change the label. Ang label ko doon. It's just mali pa label ko rito na edit. So, actually, it is a square, simple square with different lines. Edit lang. Click. Double click. Highlight. I may change again. Say, gusto ko change ulit ng, say, I'll use Tahoma. Underline. And then, say, lakihan ko siya. 15. Then, I'll change the color. Okay, make it green. And then, change na yung text. Rectangle, ay mali, square with different lines. Okay. Ito, ang label pala niya, making a polyline with art. Double click lang. Oh, this time, nag-change ako ng color. Alam mo, kaya ako nag-change ng color. Your next plate is about text. So, change nyo lang yan. Parang kakopy mo lang, then change. Kasi gawin nating ano to, 6 lang, maliit. So, then I will type here. Na-type ko na siya. This is polyline with arcs. Okay. This is stars in array. Or kung ano-ano mang label gawin mo. This is change ko ulit yung font niya. Change ko yung font niya to say 20 naman. Mas malaki. Change your Times New Roman to ano ba pwede? Kahit ano. Palitan natin yan. Okay? Then, the size will be, say, 10 lang. And then, I'll change again the color. Say, yellow. And then, I'll type stars in stars. Stars in polar array. Okay, actually yung title, nilagyan ko lang ng, di ba, as I have mentioned, depende kung paano nyo ilalagay yung mga figures nyo, kung paano nyo ipapractice. You may use the same or you may innovate a different type. Diba? Okay, then yung ending part is for you to label naman the figure. Label your work. So you just, escape again. Then I'll just copy the text. Enter. Copy ko rito. Ayan. Escape. And then I'll double click it again. Tapos as mentioned, so palitan ko lang yung text niya. Gawin ko siyang bold. Lakihan ko pa siya. And then, dito homa. Siya. Palitan ko yung color. Gawin ko magenta. Then, I'll change its label. My name. So, Lourdes. So, may engineer nga pala yan. Engineer. Lourdes. B. Hipolito. AutoCAD. AutoCAD Plate number 1. Okay. Habaan pa natin. Wala apelido ko eh. Then, okay. So, with that, maayos yung gawa mo. Okay, so and then you just save it. So escape, and then you just save. Okay, I hope tama na yung aking pagre-record. So that ends